Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best watercolor brushes that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the ARTEGRIA watercolor brush set. We were impressed with the ARTEGRIA watercolor brush set's high absorption and consistent flow, making it easy to achieve the desired effect. The brushes are also long-lasting, with no shedding or flaking, and come with a beautiful storage tube, black velvet travel bag, mini guide, and ebook included with the purchase. The set is designed for anyone who loves painting, making it suitable for professionals, hobby artists, beginners, and adults. The elegant design and excellent quality make it a great gift for any occasion. In conclusion, we highly recommend the ARTEGRIA watercolor brush set for anyone looking for a high-quality watercolor brush set that offers a wide variety of shapes and sizes for various watercolor art techniques. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Transon Round watercolor paint brush set. If you're looking for a high-quality watercolor brush set that won't break the bank, the Transon Round watercolor paintbrush set is a great option. We were impressed with the quality of these brushes, especially considering their affordable price point. The natural goat hairs and high-grade nylon blend together seamlessly, allowing for smooth blending and the perfect amount of liquid holding ability. The brushes are also versatile, working well with a variety of different mediums. One thing to keep in mind is that the brushes may not be as durable as more expensive options. Some users have reported issues with shedding hairs after a few uses, and the handles may not be as sturdy as some other brushes. However, we found that with proper care and maintenance, these brushes can last a long time. Overall, we would definitely recommend the Transon Round watercolor paintbrush set to anyone looking for a high-quality set of brushes at an affordable price. At number 3, we have the Benici Professional Artist Paintbrush Set of 12. We were impressed with the quality of the Benici Professional Artist Paintbrush Set of 12. The brushes work well with watercolor, acrylic, and even oil painting. We found the bristles to be soft and flexible, yet durable enough to hold up well over time. The variety of brush shapes and sizes allowed us to experiment with different techniques and styles. One thing to note is that some users have reported issues with shedding bristles. While we did not experience this ourselves, it's something to keep in mind. Additionally, the brushes may not hold as much paint as some professional-grade brushes, which could be a consideration for more experienced artists. Overall, we think the Benici Professional Artist Paintbrush Set of 12 is a great option for beginners and hobbyists who want a versatile set of brushes that can handle various mediums. The easy grip handles and soft yet durable bristles make these brushes a pleasure to use, and the affordable price point is an added bonus. At number 2, we have the Fumui Sable watercolor brushes. We recently had the opportunity to try out the Fumui Sable watercolor brushes, and we were impressed with their overall quality and performance. The range of shapes and sizes included in this set make it easy to paint everything from long, thin lines to large areas with ease. We were able to achieve a variety of watercolor techniques with these brushes, thanks to their excellent color carrying capacity and consistent color flow. The brushes are also sturdy and durable, with a nickel-plated brass ferrule that helps prevent corrosion and clogging of hair, and a polished birch wooden handle that won't bend or break even with long-term use. However, some users have reported shedding hairs after just one use, which can be frustrating. Additionally, the brushes may be too stiff for some users' preferences, so it's important to keep that in mind before making a purchase. Overall, we would definitely recommend the Fumui Sable watercolor brushes to anyone looking for a high-quality set of watercolor brushes. While they may be a bit pricey for those on a tight budget, they are definitely worth the investment for serious artists or those looking to improve their painting skills. And finally, at number 1, we have the Fumui Sable watercolor brushes. We found that these brushes are perfect for those who are just starting out with watercolor painting. The wide range of sizes makes it easy to experiment with different brush strokes and techniques. The premium sable hairs make for smooth blending and great liquid holding ability, which is perfect for creating beautiful watercolor washes. The nickel-plated copper ferrules are sturdy and durable, ensuring that the brushes won't wobble or come apart with use. However, some users have reported shedding of bristles, especially during the first few uses. Additionally, the brushes are not Kolinsky, despite being advertised as such. Overall, we recommend the Fumui Sable watercolor brushes for those who are looking for a versatile set of brushes at an affordable price point.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.